就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for another Hakka song on Icrt. I am Joseph Lin, and this is Gina's Can, who was formed back in 2006, and they mainly sang in Mandarin in the beginning, but after 2013, the group started creating Hakka language music. Their music consists of jazz, blues, and even rock. Now, Gina's spirited and powerful vocals add a lot of new flavor to Hakka music today. This song is called Makai, which literally means what the, and it tells the story of a person who often keeps repeating the same mistakes, and they can't help but criticize themselves. Well, maybe you can relate to this as well. Makai.在2006年成立，来自于苗栗的吉娜罐子，他们的音乐元素有爵士、蓝调还有摇滚，在这首《马该》里面都听得到。而马该是什么意思呢？就是什么的意思，在诉说着人们常常会犯一样的错误，然后呢又忍不住会自嘲一番。是吉娜呢透过亲身经历，希望能跳脱无限错误的循环，有感而发的创作哦。虽然呢有点无奈，但请大家记得别失去对生命其他美好事物的热情哦。更多好听的客家音乐呢，都等着我们去发掘。希望下次大家一起收听喽。I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.